All right, dude, you ready?
Yeah, this is your first
This is
step.
video number 1.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's tell them what we got going on for video number 1.
Okay.
Is this your first YouTube video you ever did?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you loving it?
Yeah.
Say, so what did we do? We went to
Dollar
General. We went to
Lots of stores. I don't even know.
Walmart.
No.
Oh, we did it?
No.
Dollar Store.
Yeah, that's basically all.
Whole bunch of Dollar Generals. And we pretty much just got Hot Wheels, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So what we're going to do, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do.
No, this is the first bag.
Okay, first bag is right here.
Yeah, I gotta go first.
Okay, but tell them what we're going to do. What are we going to do?
We're gonna not look and pick one out.
You're going to pick one out, and then I'm going to pick one out.
Yeah. Okay.
And then after you pick one out, you keep that one.
Yeah.
And then I pick one out, I keep it. Okay.
I feel lucky. I feel feline lucky.
What? Really?
Yeah.
You got the big guy?
Yay.
Let me show that. Look at that. You got
Yay.
the Transformer
I get the
Optimus
biggest
Prime.
one we got.
Nice. All right, my turn.
Nice.
I got the Pontiac.
Pontiac.
Really? Pontiac.
Not the good one.
Okay, your turn. Pick. You think you're going to get anything cool?
Nah. Not the coolest car ever.
Not the coolest? What is that? That's a Nissan Skyline. Dalton.
By the way, we still got those Pokemon. They're
We
in
do.
here.
We do. Okay, I got this one.
No!
Oh, look at that.
Dang
The
it.
BMW
We could trade,
635.
remember?
That's a sweet one.
We could trade.
Huh? We could. Trade you for the Optimus Prime.
No, I don't
Okay.
want to trade my Optimus Prime. Either this.
What is that one? Lamborghini. Look at that.
Yeah.
Lamborghini.
I'm not trading this, though. I'm not trading my
Huh?
Lamborghini. I'm not trading my Lamborghini or
You're
this
not?
or that.
Okay, I
I
got
get something I don't like.
the blue McLaren. I know you want it. I
I
know
know.
you want it.
I want everything they've got, basically.
Don't be peeking.
I'm not.
Oh,
Why?
that Pontiac. You got the other Pontiac. Well, look, remember I was telling you? Look at that. Same car, 2 different colors. I don't know why.
3.
3. Oh, there's one
different
more in
colors.
there. I don't know why.
I'll trade this Pontiac for that.
Oh,
I'll trade this Pontiac for that
no,
Pontiac.
I don't want that, but I got the Ferrari.
I'll trade this Pontiac for that Pontiac. You don't like orange.
Okay, fine.
Yay. Yay.
Deal.
Yay.
Deal.
I like
So
it.
your turn. Your
I
turn.
hope I get. I'm not feeling lucky.
Ooh, but you know what that was? Remember? You remember what that was?
Now I have 2 of it
Yeah, but you remember what that was?
for that little thing.
That was the
Yeah, but now I have 2 of it, and you don't have any.
Yeah, but look, that was the
Yeah, and you know what's weird?
Dollar General
Yeah, but you know what's weird?
exclusive. What?
Look, no number.
Yeah.
No number. Number.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, no numbers on these, but those are the what did you say they were? The
Exclusive.
exclusives. That. Yeah. Oh, I got one too. Another exclusive. Dollar General.
Dollar
Sit down.
General
What are you
exclusive.
doing? Sit down.
I like to stand up.
You fall down, you're gonna fall over. You don't care?
Not the coolest one. I mean, it's cool, just not cool enough.
No, that's a Legends Tour winner. I don't know, whatever that is. Legends Tour winner, pretty sweet.
Ready?
I got.
Cool.
Oh my lord,
I need that.
I'm scoring, dude.
Bro,
I got the Lamborghini. You know what? I'll trade you the Lamborghini and the McLaren for the Optimus Prime.
no, I want the Optimus
I'll
Prime.
throw in another Ferrari.
Nope,
So you have 2 Ferraris and McLaren.
no.
I know you can't resist it.
I want the Ferraris. I'm not
Optimus
doing
Prime.
it. Not
your
doing it.
Favorite color.
No, not doing
And
it.
1 Ferrari.
Not doing it.
Okay.
Not doing it. Not doing it.
Okay.
I want a
Pick.
little bit better.
What's better than that?
I don't know.
Huh?
Maybe what I'm pulling. It's better.
Another exclusive?
I have all 3.
That's another exclusive.
I have all of them, basically.
Man, that's cool, dude.
Oh, I know the car that looks just like this. You have two
I
exclusives.
got the exclusive.
You had 2 exclusives though. I had 3. Not cool.
Not cool. What is
Not cool, bruh. Not cool,
it?
bruh.
2025.
Not cool, bruh.
Yep.
I
Not cool, dude.
When did we get that?
Twin Tornado.
When did we get that?
I don't know. Twin Tornado. I don't know when we get that.
I got the Donut Mobile.
Nice. I got another Pontiac.
You got the last
I got the
color.
last Pontiac. I got 2 Pontiac, 3 Pontiac. Look.
You have all 3 of the
I got
Pontiacs.
all 3 colors.
I have
What you think about
one
that?
of
You
the
want all
colors.
3 of them?
No, I
Trade
don't.
ya.
No.
Okay.
No, wait. Look at these. Look at
One
these.
more in the bag.
No, look at the exclusives.
Oh, I got one more in the bag.
There's one more. The Pontiac!
Again, the Pontiac.
How dare Pontiac? How dare Pontiac?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine
Now we got
over
another
here.
bag. So we don't want to make no trades.
No.
We don't want to make no trades.
I want to make a trade with this. I want this.
Okay. And I want the Optimus Prime.
I'm not giving you the Optimus Prime. Trade?
Huh?
Trade?
Trade?
This one's
What about
2026. This
the
one's
one
newer.
up front too? How about that one?
both
Yeah.
for just this?
Yeah.
No, not a deal.
No?
Just this.
Huh?
It's a legendary tour winner.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I trade him
Legendary tour winners.
Should
are
I
better
trade
than
him?
this.
for the Legend winner? And he gets the BMW. Should I trade?
Come on, I love the.
All right, fine. I'll
BMW.
trade. Deal.
Thank you.
Deal.
I still want some of your cars.
Which ones you want?
I want these ones.
Well, what are you gonna give me?
I'm not giving you my Optimus Prime.
Okay, well, we better wait. Because guess what we got?
What?
Another bag.
Yeah, and we could at the end of the video we can trade with all our cars.
Can we?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set mine up here
I'm gonna
Make
leave
room.
mine right here.
for my new guy coming in.
I'm leaving mine right on the side. I
You
love
know
this.
what? We messed up
Huh?
because when we went to that Dollar General to get that Hot Wheel collector, then we had to buy $20 of Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
And then we send in the backs of these. You cut this off. You send in the back
Yeah.
with $7,
Yeah.
and then you get the collector.
Yeah.
Guess what? We forgot
What?
the receipt. I'm so used to when somebody says, "Do you want the receipt?" I say, "No." I throw the receipt away, and we have to turn the receipt in to get the collector. So now, guess what we have to do?
What? We have to get all of them again.
Yeah,
Well,
so we have to go buy another $20.
yeah, but it's not that bad because we don't have the last one.
True. Maybe we can find it.
Yeah, and maybe we can find all of them.
So maybe in the next video
We
we'll
might
go
have it
and we'll go find it. Okay, this bag is this one's big.
first. I'm always first. I feel
I'm gonna fix this for you.
lucky.
I'm gonna fix this for you so you don't fall. Okay.
I feel feline lucky.
Why? What is it?
It's the Ferrari.
That's your favorite one? I'm fixing this for you so don't fall down. You got the Ferrari?
I got the black Ferrari.
Nice. That's the one you wanted the most, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, I
okay.
wanted the Optimus
I'm
Prime
trading for that bad boy.
Nope.
Yep.
You don't get it. I might trade for that.
Ferrari.
I might trade for
365 GTB4.
that.
Man, that makes 2 Ferraris for me.
What
What is that?
Look at that. It's so cool.
I'll trade you for the Ferrari.
Nope.
Yep.
No,
I'll trade you right now for the Ferrari.
I like it.
I'll trade you for that Ferrari or this Ferrari.
No, at the end of the video, you have to trade with those.
Oh, but for that car right there.
I might trade at the end.
Oh my lord, come on. You didn't even show him what it was. It's a Ford Mustang GTD.
Not the coolest.
Not the coolest, but still. Dude, I think
You
I'm a-
looked.
I think
You
I'm a-
looked.
I
You
did.
looked.
Ferrari collector right here.
I could literally
I'm
see
the
it.
Ferrari collector.
No, I
Apparently now. You have fun doing this? You like searching for the Hot Wheels? I'll trade you for that.
like this car so much.
I got the Impala.
Impala.
I got the Impala.
Impala.
You know what? For sure.
Huh.
I'm doing one thing right now, okay? I'm
Is it
doing
your
one
turn?
thing right now. You know what I'm doing?
Huh.
I'm ripping it.
Because you don't want to trade
I'm
it.
ripping it. because I'm keeping it.
And look at my
Maybe I
dad.
shouldn't have. Maybe I shouldn't have ripped it. But I'm
Look-
ripping it.
And look at my dad's collection back
You
there.
can't see, but there's all the same, huh?
There's like hundreds, and my dad keeps taking mine. Hey, is it my turn?
Hey, you want to rip one?
Is it my turn?
Yeah, do you want to rip one of those?
Yeah,
Which one? You're gonna rip that one.
I'm gonna rip it.
Ooh, I wouldn't do it.
I'm gonna rip it.
I wouldn't do that one.
I'm gonna rip it.
Okay. It's
like
a
it.
keeper.
It's a keeper. I ain't trading with this one.
There it is. Okay.
That's the coolest one, bro. Not that cool.
Land Rover Defender.
Watch what I'm gonna get.
Normal
Watch
edition.
what I'm gonna get. You're gonna trade your whole thing for this. They're gonna trade your whole thing.
For the tow truck?
Yeah. It's a big tow truck.
I'll trade you 2 Ferraris.
Both of those Ferraris.
Both of those Ferraris.
What's this
For
car?
the Chevy tow
What's
truck.
this car?
Doesn't matter.
Can you tell me? Can
No.
you show me? I know.
It's the Defender. Do you want to trade this?
The Defender.
I mean, I am bigger. I can just take it.
Huh?
Do you want to trade?
I'll take 2 cars.
Deal.
Now I have way more than you.
Deal.
You only have 2.
Okay.
I have like 4. Your turn. Not that cool. I hope I get the feline lucky.
Drift wagon. It's a drift wagon.
Look at the feline
Don't
lucky.
be looking.
Was it
Peeker.
looking?
You little peeker. Ah!
I'm trading!
No, I don't want it. No, no, no.
You don't even
What? That's a
trade.
trade? I get the Barbie? That's a Barbie?
You're feeling unlucky.
Special feature. It's a special feature.
You're feeling unlucky.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to sell it. How about that?
You're feeling.
Anybody wants to buy it, I'm selling it.
I doubt it. You don't get the feeling unlucky though.
Just a normal one, but that's a GTD Mustang.
G. I hope Bruh, what do you want to trade with this? Not the Barbie.
McLaren?
That's from last time. You gotta do something. I'm not doing the Barbie. Just for you.
Volvo Drifter?
They're the same cars.
Then trade.
No,
Okay.
that one's cooler.
Okay. Deal.
I put a dent in it.
Ah, Cruiser Bruiser.
Cruiser Bruiser.
Okay.
You got the. Bro, where's the feline lucky?
Supercharged.
Where's the feline
Drag
lucky?
racer.
Where's feline lucky?
I don't know. Don't be looking.
Feline lucky has to be in here. I'm gonna feel the shape. NASCAR. Why would you trade with that? You love
It's not
NASCAR.
NASCAR. It's Formula
Well,
One.
you like Formula One.
I do like Formula One.
So what
Can
would
I
you
have it?
trade? What would
Can I
you
just
trade?
have it? Can I just have it?
I'll trade with this.
No. No.
You can't just have it.
No. Okay.
Then-
no.
Then I get another free pick.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, dang it! I want the feline lucky.
This one?
Feline lucky.
Oh,
You got the cakester.
I got the birthday burner. Birthday burner. Pretty sweet. You seen it.
I didn't.
You feeling lucky. Okay.
I feel.
Feline lucky. He's been wanting it. There it is.
I wanted the feline lucky.
Okay, last
It might be a
one.
ripper. I might
Last
rip it.
one. Mazda RX-7 in purple. I'll
First,
take it. Well,
I basically got. Okay, we can trade. You have less cars than me.
we can trade. What are we trading? What was that? Uh-oh. That's all right.
What was
Nothing. Who knows? You're breaking stuff.
it? What was
You're
it?
good. What do you want to trade?
What was it?
I'm not trading any of these, okay?
You're not trading those?
Well, I want your Mustang. Can I get your Mustang?
What Mustang? I don't
Huh?
have a Mustang.
You have a Mustang.
This one?
Huh?
Where's my Mustang? This one?
Yeah.
This one's my Mustang.
No, you have a Mustang, right?
This one?
No, it's not a Mustang.
What is it?
Isn't it?
This one?
Nope.
Where's my Mustang?
Where
I
is your Mustang?
don't have a Mustang, bruh.
Right here.
That's not my Mustang. What is it?
Trade me that one.
You know what?
Trade me that one.
I'll trade you that one.
I know you like this one.
Not that much. Bring out all your cars. Let me see them. I might want one of them. I might trade 2 if you really want this.
Okay, I know you want that one. I know you want the McLaren.
You don't know if I want
I
it
know you
that
do.
much.
I know
Do you have
do.
a Ferrari?
I don't. You got them all from me.
No, I don't.
You did.
No.
Oh, I got Lamborghini, McLaren, and the Lamborghini for the Mustang.
And
No, that's
one
a
more,
sweet
please.
deal.
One more.
What?
One more.
Who's getting the best end of the deal?
One more.
Which one? The cake one.
No.
Yeah.
I like this car, so 2
Yeah,
more.
but you like these two.
This one and
You said one more.
this one.
No, I'll do this one. I'll do this one. I'll do this.
This one and
No, I'll do this
and
one.
cake.
No.
You don't like
And the cake?
Yeah, and the
So
cake.
you get 4? So you get 4.
I like this
And what
car.
do I get? You get 4. And I get
and
what?
this.
And I get
and-
1?
Yeah, I like this car.
Yeah, but look at it. Is that a fair trade?
Yeah.
Would you
it's
guys
such
make
a
that
fair
trade?
trade.
Would
I
you
would
make
always,
that trade?
Yeah, I would always.
would?
Make it, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for like 10 cars.
I mean, I guess just because I got 2 of them now. All right.
You only have 3?
Good job.
You have way more than 3. And I'm happy I at least got my feline.